Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to customize both your editor and terminal font sizes in Visual Studio Code. Here's how to do it. There are actually two ways to access the settings in VS Code. The first way is through the menu, click on File, then Preferences, and select Settings. The faster way? Use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+, on Windows and Linux, or CMD+, on Mac. This opens the settings directly. Now, let's adjust the editor font size first. In the search bar at the top, type font size. You'll see the editor font size setting appear right away. The default is usually 14 pixels. I'm going to increase this to 20 for better visibility. Just click in the box, clear the current value, and type your preferred size. Notice how the code in the editor immediately updates. No need to restart VS Code. Let's change the terminal font size to match. This one's a bit trickier to find. Clear the search bar and type terminal.integrated.font. Look for the setting called Terminal Integrated Font Size. You can also find this by searching just a terminal font size if you prefer. I'll set this to 20 as well to keep everything consistent. Perfect! As you can see, both our editor text and terminal output are now much larger and easier to read. The changes take effect immediately. You can also use Ctrl++ and Ctrl+- to temporarily zoom in and out of the entire VS Code window, but this won't save your preference. And that's it! You now know how to customize both editor and terminal font sizes in VS Code.